Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our next part of the show, and we are now, we'll now move to the next exercise, that is the exercise number 3. Okay, so, exercise number 2, done. Number 3, are these sentences true or false? How do you know? Okay, so, just gonna read, 5 sentences and just decide true or false. But this time it is special. You gotta find why you say it's true, why you say it is false. Okay, so you need evidence. Okay, evidence for that. So okay, so for the number 1, folks, number 1 with a weird voice. Maybe it was the weird voice that made her scared. Okay, those to find the proof, it is all in the reading. Okay, so first sentence, Maya has visited this planet before. True or false? Oh, if you remember for what I've read, you may also don't need to read, but you also remember some of the ideas, some of the special details in the reading that I have read. So, Maya, did she visit this planet before? No, she did not. This it says this is her first time, including, to point out where exactly in the reading, it says, Maya, in the 3rd line, Maya had her first good view of the new planet, so she didn't visit this before. So this is her first time ever, like the first time I go to work and rain excitedly. I promise I'll be back next summer. So, 1, it is false. Clear it is false. Number 2, the planet has at least 2 moons. At least 2 moons. Oh my god. Seems, untrue. But, is it true or false? Oh, yeah, it is true in the reading. Why? Yeah, you can see also in the paragraph A, just not moving anywhere further. It is all in there. It says the part about behind that, Maya could just make out wait, not that yet. One of the planet's pale pink moons was visible in the purple sky. So one of the planet's moons, yeah. So which means a lot. One of the, including just one, with a lot of other moons. So yeah, that is more than 1. So, it is a lot. So, at least 2 moons. So, we don't know how many, but we know it is more than 1. So, it is at least 2. Yeah, so, number 2 it is true. Yes, true for the reading. But, let NASA do that investigation. Number 3, Maya weighs more on the planet than on the Earth. Is it true or false? Oh yeah, it is true, because the part that she described that, taking a few steps, in the paragraph B, taking a few steps, she noticed that the gravity was much stronger than the Earth. So, clear as day, so the number 3, it is true. Number 4, at first, Maya thinks that the space capsule's disappearance could be her imagination. At first, she thinks that the space capsule's disappearance could be her imagination. It is true or false? True or false? It is true, yes. So, where is the evidence? Yeah, it is in the paragraph C. Yes, paragraph C. It says about having looked all around her to make sure that the capsule had really vanished. So, she thought that herself, in her imagination, that, is it true that the space capsule disappeared for just a little bit seconds? So, she gotta make sure by she having a look back on that, and, yeah, it truly disappeared. What a mysterious story. I don't even know what's happening on that planet. Does that planet is the place for creating magic tricks? I don't know. All the talents are on there. Maya, the last sentence. Maya is keen to climb through the hole in the rock in order to explore. Yeah. Is it true or false? I'm smelling the sentence that is false. Yes, it is false. Why? It says about Maya keen to climb through the hole in the rock in order to explore. Not to explore. Not to explore, folks. Why? Because at the end of paragraph C, you can see a part that it says about Maya climbed through the hole of the rock. But did she climb for her exploration? No. She climbed, yeah, because she had no choice. Yeah, at the end of a paragraph, at the end of the writing, she had no choice. She climbed through. So, that is the reason why it is false for the sentence number 5. So, yeah, we're done. We're done the exercise number 3. Now we'll move to the exercise number to the writing tip. Okay, so I filled out all the answers for you already. How fast? Now for the writing tip, it says about this one, it is important because you are writing a narrative. You need to know for this point of writing, and so that you will easily get high scores in your writing. So let's read about that writing tip. When you are describing a place, use a variety of expressions instead of repeating there is or there are. For example, near the city center stands a blah blah blah, a palace, a skyscraper, or an Jeffrey Epstein Island. No, please, get that out. Beyond the town lies the desert, a lake, or something like that. So you can have more expressions, including the blah blah blah. It can be the cliff, the mountains, the woods are visible from the beach. Are visible from where? You can choose the place by your own. Not have to follow up every word in the sentence, because this is just example. Yeah, here, example. Okay, and you can also have on a clear day. You can make out at the Alps in the distance. Okay, so you have a variety of choices for choosing which sentence that you can, which expression that you can put into your writing. So for making the writing even more interesting to the readers, please add some of the phrases like that, so it will attract the reader to read from the beginning to the end, so they would impressed by the story. So please don't use too much there is and there are. Okay, remember that. So your writing will be gaining higher scores than expected, I guess. So for a little bit more greater stuff in the examination. So during the break, you can read the exercise number 4. Okay, read the exercise number 4 and the learn this box in the exercise number 5. And I guess we'll be right back with the next part of the show. We will do those stuff. Okay, exercise number 4 and the learn this box. We'll be right back to tell you the stuff.